Here you see some of the fundamental information on KR, or the Kroger Company, that I showed you a trade in earlier. Here we're looking at its gross profit over time. Each one of these bars is 1 year. Notice the slope of this graph over time. On the far right, we have 2015. On the far left, we have 2014. Notice that overall, over time, the slope of this line is going up. That means its gross profit is increasing over time. I like that. And here we see the yearly net income graph. Again, notice that overall, even though there's some bumpiness and some choppiness in this graph, notice that overall we do see a fairly consistent and slightly increasing net income. That looks good to me. So if that's a good example, what does a bad example look like? Well, here you see some fundamental data of VSC, or the VF Corporation. Let's first look at gross profit. Overall, gross profit looks pretty good. It's not really growing, but it's fairly consistent each year. But now let's scroll down to net income. What does net income of VFC look like? That doesn't look too good, does it? Although this is a company that I have traded in the past, right now I'm not entering any new positions in VFC because, as you can see, its net income just doesn't look very good.